The first thing I'm going to apply is a Dermablend Insta Grip Jelly Primer. I don't know why my stuff is all dirty. A really sticky primer, so I'm just going to apply that like on my T-zone. And I've been using that one a lot lately. For foundation, I'm going to use two. I'm going to use this Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin pretty much in the center, and then I'm going to use this Makeup Forever Ultra HD one just because this is the darkest one that I just have right here. I didn't go looking for another one, so I want to kind of warm up the perimeter of my face a little bit, just kind of warm it up slightly because I'm not doing that with the concealer anymore. And I'm going to take a Sigma F88 angled kabuki, which is one of my favorite brushes to apply foundation. I'm in the color Y245 of this one. I wasn't really planning on filming today, to be honest, but when I say I've been going through it lately, I've been going through it. And then when I sit here and I apply my makeup, I don't know, it's kind of just calming. So I just decided to film today because I got a couple of new things, and well, yeah, I got a couple of new things and might as well try them out. So I'm gonna do something, I think I'm gonna do something kind of easy today. I've been dealing with kind of just going to court and finally filing for child support, so that's been fun. Was my daughter's deadbeat of a father? Probably no. Like, I was complaining a lot about my forehead breaking out and I didn't know why. I don't know. In like so many videos I was complaining about that. And then I finally just decided, not just my forehead, but everywhere I was applying my concealer. And they're different concealers, so there's no way I can tell which one it was because I used multiple ones. So anyways, I was breaking out everywhere, so I finally just decided to not use concealer at all around my face. I don't know what it is about the concealer, but I really think it was my concealer because my forehead cleared a lot, and also like right here cleared, all down here cleared so much. It cleared up so much since I stopped using concealer. So yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be doing that anymore. For concealer, I'm going to use Tarte's Shape Tape Concealer to conceal these bad boys up because I'm tired. As usual, I need some major help in this area. I really didn't plan on filming at all today, which is why my hair looks like this. It literally dried like this, and I'm just going to leave it. I'm using the Sigma 3D HD blender, I think it's called. I'm gonna do a giveaway in this video. I don't know what I'm gonna give away, but I'm gonna give away something. You know what, maybe a couple of these Makeup Forever. I just got a bunch of these Makeup Forever Artist Nude Cream Skin Flattering Liquid Lipsticks. Maybe I'll give a couple of these away. So just make sure you comment on the bottom of this video, and that's it. Just dropped my sponge and it rolled all the way. I'm going to use a little bit of setting powder. I'm going to take the Laura Mercier and set my under eyes. I'm so tired, even concealer doesn't do it. I blame it on Netflix. That's what I blame it on. So of course, I'm going to start out with Sigma's eyeshadow base primer. This is a stick one. I'm going to apply this all over my eyelid to prevent any creasing and cancel out discoloration. And I'm going to blend that out. And the palette that I'm going to be using today is the new Huda Beauty Neon palette. I think it's called Orange Obsessions, I believe. And I'm going to take the lightest color in the middle and kind of just blend that out all over my eyelid. It's a really simple look, and then I'm going to take the darker orange color and just add a little bit of that into the inner crease, just to kind of, I don't know why, I just did it. And then I'm going to take the really yellow matte shade and I'm going to apply that to my eyelid, and I was really impressed with this. It's super pigmented without even having to use a base under. I was really impressed with this color and how pigmented it was. And then the blue liner, I'm going to use this from Lancome. I will have everything linked in the description box. This is a pretty dope liner. The blue color is just amazing. It's matte.
yeah, and I've had it for a while and it hasn't dried out yet, so I really like this eyeliner. And then I'm going to take the new Benefit Bad Gal Bang eyeliner pencils, and I'm going to apply that to my waterline. And then at the tip of it, it comes with not a sponge, but it's kind of like a rubbery tip to blend. It's kind of weird. It feels very weird, but it works pretty good.
Really impressed with the neon yellow in this palette. Bronzer, I guess bronzer. I'm just going to warm up my face a little bit. I'm going to take this. Oh, shit. I'm going to take this Park Avenue Princess Chisel palette from Tarte. And I'm going to use, what am I going to use? I'm going to use the color Princess Cut right here. I actually washed my brush, which will be linked in the description box because everybody always asks me about this. Probably gonna stick to my forehead because I'm like borderline sweating because it's so hot in this room. For sure, just sticking to my nose too because, like I said, sweating. I guess I'm just gonna use the Benefit palette again. I'm just gonna use the Coralista blush and the color Cookie, the highlighter that comes with it, which is called Cookie. The brush I'm gonna use is Smashbox Blendable Cheek. Hot in here. For lips, I really don't know, but I did get this new Tarte setting spray. It's a stay spray. That's what it's called. It's Double Duty Beauty. That's all it says. And it says to shake it well. So I'm going to go ahead and set my face with this. Up my nose. It kind of smells like a lotion. Like a really fresh lotion, but I do like that it's a mist. It's kind of like a mist instead of an actual. So I'm gonna use one of these new Makeup Forever. This is 05. This one's 05. It's pretty. They feel really like a really thick texture and creamy. Not too thick in a bad way, but like a thick, creamy, really super creamy moisturizing.